Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let us go for the next problem. If a is equal to 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 0, and I is the identity matrix of order 2, show that I plus A is equal to I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. So, very important question. So, let us solve this one. So, by seeing this, so it may be a difficult problem. So, it is very simple problem. So, let us take the given, what he has given. So, he has given I plus A is equal to I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha he has given. So I is nothing but the identity matrix of order 2. So let us take the identity matrix of order 2, 1 0 0 1. So what is an A? A is an 0 minus tan alpha by 2, then tan alpha by 2 and 0. So this is an A is equal to so is equal to I means identity matrix. Identity matrix is 1 0 0 1 minus A. A is, what is an A? 0 minus tan alpha by 2, then tan alpha by 2, 0. So this is an A into cos alpha minus sin alpha, then sin alpha, then cos alpha. So if you add this one, corresponding elements of matrices you should add. So first element is added with this, 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 minus tan alpha is minus tan alpha by 2. Then 0 plus tan alpha means tan alpha by 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. So we got this one. So if you subtract this one first, 1 minus 0 means 1. 0 minus of minus means plus tan alpha by 2. Then 0 minus alpha by 2 means minus tan alpha by 2. 1 minus 0 means 1. So into cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. So let us consider this is an LHS, this is an RHS. So by taking the RHS, let us prove this one. What is an RHS? RHS is 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2, 1 into cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. So here, okay, let us substitute tan alpha by 2 is equal to T. Then we know the formula in the multiples and submultiples. Multiples, let us take the multiples. Cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is the formula for the multiples in trigonometry. In submultiples, cos theta can be written as 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. So sine 2 theta can be written as 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Sin theta can be written as, in the submultiples, 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. So let us substitute in this 1. In the place of tan alpha by 2, let us substitute t, then minus t, this is 1. So in the place of cos alpha, so we know the formula for the submultiples cos theta. In the place of theta, here alpha is there, cos alpha can be written as 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 minus sin alpha. Minus sin alpha can be written as 2 tan alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. So here again sin alpha is there. Sin alpha can be written as 2 tan alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Cos alpha can be written as 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. So we have written substituted the formula of submultiple. So let us substitute in the place of tan as t. So if you substitute, what happens here? 1 minus, here tan alpha can be written as t, 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Then minus of 2t by 1 plus t square. So here 2t by 1 plus t square. So here we can substitute 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. And this one RHS here again. So let us multiply this one. First row should be multiplied with first column. First row should be multiplied with second column. So let us multiply multiplication of the matrix. 1 into this means 1 into this, what happens? 1 minus tan square 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So t into this means 2t square by 1 plus t square. So first row, first column. First row, second column, 1 into this minus 2t by 1 plus t square. T into this means t into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Again second row, first column. Then minus t into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Then 1 into this is 2t by 1 plus t square. Minus t into this is plus 2t square by 1 plus t square. Then 1 into this is minus 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So denominators are same. So let us consider the LCM. 1 plus t square is an LCM in this. So 1 minus t square plus 2t square. So next, so here LCM is 1 plus t square minus 2t. So here you have to multiply. If you multiply, what you will get? So t into this plus t, then t into minus t square means minus t cube. So minus t into 1 is minus t. So let us write the first LCM here. LCM is 1 plus t square. So minus t into 1 is minus t. Minus into minus plus t cube. Then plus 2t. Then here, if you take LCM, LCM is 1 plus t square is an LCM. So 2t square plus 1 minus t square. So let us simplify this one. So here 1, write 1. So minus t square plus 2t square means if you subtract in this, you are getting, what you are getting, plus t square by 1 plus t square. So in this minus 2t, so here t is there. If you subtract, what you will get, minus t cube by 1 plus t square. So here 2t minus t means t plus t cube by 1 plus t square. In this 2t square minus t square means we can write 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square. So here 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square you can cancel. You will get 1 here. So in this you can remove the common as in minus t. If you remove common minus t, you are getting 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square. Then here you can remove t as in common, 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square. Here 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square you can cancel. You are getting as in 1. So RHS is equal to 1. So you can cancel 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square means here minus t. So here 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square means you are getting t. So here 1. So we have substituted t as an alpha by 2. So let us write the alpha by 2. In the place of t, we can write a minus tan alpha by 2. T means tan alpha by 2, 1. So, what is an LHS? LHS is 1 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 1. So, therefore, LHS is equal to RHS.
Let us go for the next problem. By seeing this problem, you may feel this one is very difficult, but it is a very easy problem. In a legislative assembly elections, a political group hired a public relation firm. Means a political group has hired, they give a contract to a public relations firm. Public relation firm means it is a business company. Firm is a business company to promote its candidate in the 3 ways. To promote the assembly candidates in the 3 ways. The first way is telephone by calling to the telephones, house calls and letters. The cost per the contact. Cost per the contact is 1 paise. Is given in a matrix A. Okay. So A is a matrix, has given cost per contact 40 telephone, 40 paise. For a telephone call 40 paise, house call 100 paise, for a letter 50 paise. The number of contacts of each type made into 2 cities X and Y. X and Y are the 2 cities. They have to make a contact. So by B, he has given a matrix, the telephone 1000. They have to call for the 1000 peoples. Then here 3000 calls. Here house calls is 500 and 1000. Then letters are 5000 and 10,000. So X and Y are the 2 cities. We have to find the total amount spent by the group in the 2 cities. We have to find the total amount spent in the 2 cities. Okay, let us write the
given, what he has given, so a political group has given a contract to call the publics through the telephones, house calls and letters. For each call, telephone call 40 paise, then house call 100 paise, then for a letter 50 paise. So let us write the given matrix A. The matrix given is 40, 100 and 50. So this is the cost. So this is the telephone, for the telephone 140 paise, then the house call 100 paise, then the letter 50 paise. This is the cost per contact. So next B matrix he has given. What is the B matrix he has given? He has given the B matrix. We have to call 1000 telephone calls. 1000 telephone calls. Then house calls. House calls is 500. Then letters 5000. This is the first row is the X city. Then second row 3000 telephone calls, 1000 house calls, then 10,000. This is the next Y city. So you have to find the total amount. By saying he has given in a matrix, so we can find the total amount by multiplying the two matrices. So let us multiply B into A or A into A. So B, what is B? 1000, 500, then 5000, then 3000, then 1000, then 10,000. So what is an A? A is 40, 100, then 50. So let us multiply BA. BA means B into A. So first row is multiplied with first column. We know the method of multiplication of the two matrices. 1000 into 40 is 40,000. Then 500 into 100 is 50,000. Then 5,000 into 50 is 2,50,000. Then 3,000 into means 1,20,000. 1,000 into 100 is 1 lakh. 10,000 into 50 is 5 lakhs. If you add 40,000, 50,000 and 2,50,000, you are getting 3,40,000. Then if you add this one, 5 lakhs, 6, 7,20,000. So it is in the paise, the amount paise. So if you convert into rupees, you are getting 33,400 rupees, then 7,200 rupees. It is in mountain rupees. Okay, let us go for the next problem. It is also a statement problem. A trust fund has 30,000 that must be invested into two different types of bonds. The first bond pays 5% interest and 5% interest per year, and the second bond pays 7% interest per year.
using matrix multiplication. He has mentioned you have to multiply by using the matrix multiplication. Determine how to divide 30,000 among the two types of bonds if the trust fund must obtain an annual total interest of rupees 1,800 and second one is 2,000 rupees. Okay, so let us write the given. So first let us write the given here. Has given the 30,000. So 30,000 should be divided into, a trust fund has 30,000 must be invested into two different ways. So let us divide the amount. So let us assume that the first amount will be X and the second amount will be 30,000 minus X. So this is the amount. Amount should be divided into two ways. Then for the first type the 5% interest, and for the second amount is the 7% interest. So we can solve this problem by directly also, but he has given by using the matrix multiplication. So he has given the condition we have to solve this problem by matrix multiplication. So let us write the given. A is amount X, 30,000 minus X. So it is in the order 1 cross 2. So interest, let us write the interest in the matrix. What is the interest? 5%. 5% and 7% in order 2 cross 1. Then the annual total interest is, the first one is 1,800. The first one is 1,800. The second one is 2,000 rupees. So let us solve the first one. AB is equal to 1,800. AB is equal to 1,800. So what is A? A is X, then 30,000 minus X into B. B is 5% means 5 by 100, then 7 by 100 is equal to 1,800. By multiplying AB, A first row, first column, so let us multiply X into 5, 5x by 100 plus 7x into 30,000 minus X is equal to 1,800. Then 5x by 100, if you multiply with 7 3s are 21, means 2,10,000 you will get, by minus 7x by 100 is equal to 1,800. So LCM is 5x plus 21, 2,10,000 minus 7x by 100 is equal to 1,800. To simplify this one, so what you'll get? 7, 5x cross multiply, first cross multiply, then simplify. 5x minus 7x means 2,10,000 minus 2x is equal to 100 into 1,800 means 1,08,000. 1,80,000. 1,80,000. Then minus 2x is equal to, you shift to 2,10,000 to the right, 1,80,000
minus 2,10,000. Then if you subtract, what you'll get? So 20, 30, 30,000 you are getting. 30,000 minus 30,000. Then minus 30,000 by minus 2, minus minus get cancelled, x is equal to 15,000. So the value of x is 15,000. So we got the value of x as in 15,000. Let us solve the b here. So what is b? He has given the amount 2,000 rupees. Let us multiply AB. AB should be multiplied and equated to 2,000 rupees. So what is an A? A is x, 30,000 minus x into 5 by 100, 7 by 100 is equal to 2,000 rupees. Then first row should be multiplied with first column, then 5x by 100 plus 2,10,000. If you multiply directly, so 2,10,000 minus 7x by 100 is equal to 2,000. Then take LCM. 5x plus 2,10,000 minus 7x by 100 is equal to 2,000. Then if you subtract, what you'll get? 2,10,000 minus 2x is equal to 2 lakhs. Then minus 2x is equal to minus 2,10,000. Subtract, we are getting 10,000 minus 10,000. X is equal to minus 10,000 divided by minus 2. X is equal to 5,000. So we got the A. In A, x value is 15,000. X value is 15,000. If you substitute in the two ways, we have to divide the amount. X value we got the 15,000 means in 30,000, 30,000 minus x is equal to 30,000 minus 15,000. 15,000 means 15,000. So we are dividing the amount 15,000 and 15,000. In the B, we got the x value as in 5,000. Then 30,000 minus x means 30,000 minus 5,000 means 25,000. So we are dividing the amount in two ways, in the two funds, and 5,000 and 25,000. So assignment problems, the first problem is if A is equal to, he has given the matrix B matrix, A matrix, calculate AC, BC and A plus B into C. Also verify that A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. Then second question, question number 20, exercise. To question number 20 and question number 22.